My name is Abdul Rahim Khan, and I'm participating in DevPost Hackathon. And this is AWS Health AI Hackathon web application. And I'm going to demonstrate an application that I have built it. So let's have a demo. So we're just going to first log in. Okay, so we have a backend application. So we're going to run that first, Python. Okay, the web application, which is the API developed in Python Flask. So this is a backend running. So we're going to log in. So here we logged in, and here is all the requests being made to the APIs. Okay, so how this works? So we're gonna upload the medical records of the patient. So here is a platform. So we just go to upload medical record. So and then we choose a file. In this demo, I'm using an image and a voice file as a patient record. So this is an image file which has got a medical detail. So that file is uploaded. I'm going to use a WAV file which has recording of the patient details as well. So those two files have been uploaded. So now we can check. It will create a folder in the application locally, and you can see all those two files here. So now we have got the medical record. So now we get all the patient details here as a platform. So we're going to choose the patient, which is 10519. So we can double check that. So which is this patient here. So we're going to choose that patient. And now the spinner starts. The spinner, what it will do, it will convert both the image and the voice file and convert them into text, and then upload onto AWS S3. I have created a bucket here, and so now if I refresh, so you will be able to see it has uploaded the patient details and converting them image and a voice file, and it will be a PDF file. It will create as a PDF file. Once that PDF file has been created, the application will read through that PDF file, extract all the information as a full text, which is this full detail which we have been extracted. That's the medical record. And then using Comprehend Medical, and then it will extract all meaningful information in a form of like a personal identifying information and all the other medical ontology which can be used by the medical experts to make a wise decision. So in this medical ontology, using Comprehend and Comprehend Medical, we have extracted some key phrases, some entities, and ICD-10 information which can be used by the expert in order to improve the patient life. So and now we have all that in S3 bucket, the information, and we have just extracted the meaningful information. So this is a quick demo of this web application. I've also created a GitHub repository for that, and I have provided all the technical information, front end, back end, web application setup, and some other information which can be useful to run this application. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. Thank you very much for watching this.